The Geely EX2 is one of the most interesting entries in the rapidly growing electric vehicle market, especially in the compact and affordable segment. Designed as a practical, efficient, and technologically advanced city car, the EX2 reflects Geely's strategy to make electric mobility accessible to a wider audience. With its modern design, intelligent features, and competitive pricing, the Geely EX2 has quickly gained attention in global markets and established itself as a strong contender among entry-level EVs. First introduced in 2024, the Geely EX2 is a fully electric subcompact hatchback built on the Global Intelligent New Energy Architecture, GEA. Geely Auto designed the vehicle primarily for urban drivers and first-time car buyers, focusing on practicality, efficiency, and ease of use. Its compact dimensions, around 4.1 meters in length, make it ideal for navigating crowded city streets, while its relatively long wheelbase ensures a surprisingly spacious interior for passengers. One of the standout features of the Geely EX2 is its design. The exterior follows a clean and modern aesthetic, characterized by smooth lines, balanced proportions, and distinctive LED lighting. The use of the golden ratio in its design gives the car a visually pleasing stance while also improving aerodynamic efficiency. Geely, despite being a budget-friendly EV, the EX2 manages to look stylish and contemporary, appealing particularly to younger buyers who value both form and function. Inside the cabin, the Geely EX2 continues to impress with a focus on comfort and smart design. The interior is built with practicality in mind, offering multiple storage compartments, including a 70-liter front trunk and additional hidden storage spaces under the seats. Geely, the rear cargo area is also generous for a car of this size, with capacity expanding significantly when the rear seats are folded. Geely, these features make the EX2 highly versatile, suitable for daily commuting as well as occasional longer trips. Technology is another area where the Geely EX2 excels. The vehicle is equipped with a modern infotainment system, including a large 14.6-inch touchscreen and a digital instrument cluster. The Flyme Auto system provides a smooth and intuitive user experience, allowing drivers to control various functions easily. Geely, additional features such as wireless charging, ambient lighting with multiple color options, and advanced connectivity enhance the overall driving experience. These elements give the EX2 a more premium feel than its price might suggest. Performance-wise, the Geely EX2 is designed primarily for city use rather than high-speed driving. It is powered by an electric motor producing between 58 kilowatts and 85 kilowatts, depending on the variant, delivering smooth and responsive acceleration. While it is not a high-performance vehicle, it offers enough power for everyday driving, including quick acceleration at low speeds, a key advantage of electric cars. The rear-wheel drive layout is particularly noteworthy, as it provides better balance and handling compared to many front-wheel drive competitors. Geely. The battery system of the Geely EX2 is another important aspect of its appeal. Depending on the version, it comes with battery capacities ranging from around 30 kilowatt-hours to over 40 kilowatt-hours, offering a driving range between 310 kilometers and 410 kilometers under CLTC standards. This range is more than sufficient for urban commuting and short trips, making the EX2 a practical choice for daily use. Additionally, the car supports fast charging, allowing the battery to be recharged from 30% to 80% in approximately 25 minutes. Geely. This significantly reduces downtime and improves convenience for users. Driving experience is where the Geely EX2 surprises many reviewers. Despite its affordable positioning, the car offers a comfortable ride thanks to its well-tuned suspension system. Reviews often highlight its ability to absorb bumps and maintain stability, even on uneven roads. The steering is light and easy to handle, making it ideal for city driving, while the instant torque of the electric motor ensures smooth acceleration. However, some reviewers note that the steering feedback is not particularly engaging, which may be a drawback for those seeking a more dynamic driving experience. Safety is also a key priority for the Geely EX2. The vehicle is equipped with a range of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure warning. Geely. These features enhance driver confidence and help reduce the risk of accidents. The car also includes multiple airbags and a reinforced body structure, ensuring a high level of occupant protection. One of the reasons for the Geely EX2 success is its strong value proposition. In many markets, it is priced competitively, making it accessible to a broad range of buyers. This affordability, combined with its features and performance, has contributed to its popularity. In fact, the EX2 has achieved significant sales success in markets like China and Brazil, even becoming one of the best-selling EVs shortly after its launch. Geely. This demonstrates the growing demand for affordable electric vehicles and the effectiveness of Geely's strategy. However, the Geely EX2 is not without its limitations. Some versions lack features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which may be disappointing for tech-savvy users. Additionally, while the interior is spacious, certain design choices, such as fixed rear headrests and limited adjustability, may reduce overall comfort for some passengers. These compromises are typical for vehicles in this price range, but are worth considering for potential buyers. Another challenge for the EX2 is competition. The compact EV segment is becoming increasingly crowded, with strong rivals such as the BYD Dolphin and other affordable electric cars. Despite this, the EX2 manages to stand out through its combination of rear-wheel drive, spacious interior, and advanced features. Its success in various markets suggests that it has found a winning formula that resonates with consumers. From an environmental perspective, the Geely EX2 contributes to reducing emissions and promoting sustainable transportation. As a fully electric vehicle, it produces zero tailpipe emissions, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars. This aligns with global efforts to combat climate change and transition toward cleaner energy sources. In conclusion, the Geely EX2 is a compelling example of how electric vehicles are becoming more accessible and practical for everyday use. It combines modern design, intelligent technology, and efficient performance in a compact and affordable package. While it may not offer the high-end features or performance of more expensive EVs, it delivers excellent value for money and meets the needs of urban drivers effectively. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to grow, models like the Geely EX2 are likely to play a crucial role in shaping the future of mobility, making sustainable transportation a reality for millions of people around the world.